I am Nick and I'm here to show you this GSXS1000 S. I bet you've not seen one in this colour before with this spec. It's fantastic. This is a 2018 18 plate bike and someone really has gone to town. Stunning colour in the red, white and black, and you'll be able to see when he scrolls down there it's got the upgraded Red Brembo monoblocs. It's a factory option from Suzuki, is that, not a cheap option at all. It's also got a fly screen, some ASV levers, a Yoshimura accessory pack as well, and a full Yoshimura R11 exhaust system, so it sounds gorgeous. Also got a tail tidy, a seat cowl. Now if the cameraman can just zoom in there, I'm going to be really honest, that's the only mark I can find on the whole bike, and I've just cleaned the bike by hand. Tiny little scratch there, looks like someone's boot's done it. Other than that, it's beautiful. 5,870 miles. They come with adjustable traction control and ABS. It's just a gorgeous bike. Fantastic fun to ride these. They're basically a sports bike but comfortable. I'll give it a quick start up so you can have a listen. Carbon hugger there as well. I've just missed that. It's got that many accessories, I'm forgetting them. We've just serviced it and given it a brand new pair of tyres as well, so it is ready to go. You know you want it, give us a call or email. Cheers. Hi, I'm Nick and thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine tooth comb and we will put a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We're so confident it's a good bike that we're happy to extend that for 1, 2 or even 3 years. We also offer finance and PCP on all our bikes subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. So if you like it, give us a call and get it bought before somebody else does. Thank you. Cheers.